When I work with people, I teach them how to feel and sense subtle energy and how to work with energy, how to feel energy using your hands, using sensing energy that come from different organs, uh, sensing the energy of problems and remove this energy, toxic energy from the body. Uh, Most of the time people do it very well, but some people complain that they can't feel subtle energy in their body. So why this happen? Because generally we are all intuitive. We all have this intuitive ability that allow us to feel energy. It's our natural gift. Why this happen? um, I realized by doing intuitive assessment on people, I realized that the reason why it's their heart chakra. Not being open, not being able to open your heart fully is the culprit of why people can't feel energy or have problems sensing energy. So this ability to sense subtle energy called clairsentience or energy receptivity. And energy receptivity starts from the opening of your fourth chakra or heart chakra. After opening of your heart, people usually start sensing energy with their hands, with their organs, these like tingling sensations in the organs really well. To open the fourth chakra can be quite challenging because true forgiveness is required to open the heart. And true forgiveness is difficult for people, and some people would rather suffer for the rest of their life than forgive. Or they practice fake forgiveness. Fake forgiveness is when somebody said, oh, look, I have forgiven this person. I don't deal with him anymore. But God knows. God sees everything. So this is fake forgiveness. They don't want to fight anymore, but they still have desire to punish the person. But this desire is hurting them. To some symbolic way, they have put their weapon down, but not the desire to shoot. And this kind of forgiveness, it's fake, and people still creating problems in their body. And well, if this happen, they still can't feel energy, subtle energy, because heart chakra is still closed. True forgiveness is when you look back to your life and say, nothing could have been or should have been any different. Everything as it should. And moreover, you can say thank you to this person who created challenging situations for you. Maybe the person was even vampire, a toxic person who created so much pain to you, but it was a challenge that you had to overcome to become a better person. And you should look back and say, thank you so much for the challenge. Because as a result of this challenge, I have become a person who I am right now. And I love who I am right now. This is true forgiveness. This is true self-acceptance. When you're able to do that, you let go of all the psychic weight. Psychic weight is a heaviness which people attach to. It's usually it's below the belt. Psychic weight or anchors don't let people to heal. And if you have psychic weight, you also can't sense energy. You need to release all the psychic weight from below the belt areas, from below the belt chakras, and become light in order to sense subtle energy and be able to heal. And all healing begins from forgiveness. but only true forgiveness. And the spiritual truths that come from the heart chakra is love is divine power. This is why people say that love heals, but only unconditional love can do so. And what is unconditional love? I explain you. It's your ability to forgive truly, unconditionally. And after forgiveness, I guarantee you will be able to feel subtle energy. You will be able to feel it with your hands, your organs, muscles, bones. Your body becomes light.